Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that we've seen in Windows 11 is a change where we have the different components of Windows, including the core apps, kind of shifted in category. So now in Windows 11, we'll eventually have in the system components. And when you look and click on it, you'll have some of the core apps of Windows, like PhoneLink and the Microsoft Store, the Game Bar, and so on. All of the things that are actually part of Windows when you install, but that aren't things you install yourself. And of course, that has a new category, which is system components. Well, it seems that some bloggers on Twitter that actually look at the code and look at the future of some of the operating system code have spotted that Windows 10 might also get this new option in its system in settings in the system tab. So of course right now it's the standard tab, but in a future update that might be coming, system components might actually show up in this list here, and will actually show you all the different apps that you have. And so are they going to put it in the system? Are they going to put it, I would put it under apps and features personally. But anyways, it might seem that this new system component feature will come to Windows 10 also, which is a good thing, honestly, because it separates all the apps that you might want to install, all the programs that are there, and separates the core apps that are part of Windows, which they call system components. And this is a way to also add some features that are in the control panel tab. Of course, when you go into the control panel and programs and features in Windows 10 and Windows 11, we have turn on features, Windows features on or off. I think it's the start of trying to take that and move it to the settings app. Once again, this is something that they're working on slowly. There's really two settings app, control panel and settings. So apparently might be coming to Windows 10, so that could be an interesting thing. And it's always, I'm surprised that even in its main phase of pretty much not doing anything except just updating for Patch Tuesday and bug fixes, that they still take the time to do a few changes to Windows 10. So this is nice, especially when you think the operating system has only 2 years left for support for the consumer if things don't change. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.